What's happening, guys? Welcome to this video. This week I'm down in Costa Rica with Visit Costa Rica and GoPro, and we are gonna be hitting a bunch of super epic locations. So each place that I fly, I'm just gonna be doing a different FPV flight, talk to you about the behind the scenes, and just kind of show you some of the amazing places around Costa Rica. First off, I wanna apologize if it's really loud. We are in front of an absolutely epic waterfall right now, so it's just super loud. But without further ado, let's get into the first shot. So there's some spectators. All right, so this shot, I'm gonna start from pretty far away just so you can see like the whole scale of the waterfall, just because it's super, super big, really epic. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna fly over a tree and kind of reveal it. So I'm gonna start over here. Let's go. Big reveal. It's always nice to end shots just showing where you just flew. But I'm gonna just scope around here and try to find some cool lines. So this stuff's really cool because it just looks nice when you're flying through things. So I'm gonna come up. It's kind of gonna be like more of a peaceful shot. I kind of see the edit. Just kind of do the same like reveal style right here at the end. All right, so guys, this next shot is another FPV shot. We are at this island in Costa Rica called Caño Island. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a shot of my two friends kind of walking down the beach. Like this section of the beach that they're on is super deserted and desolate. So I'm just gonna get an FPV shot kind of flying through this little tree tunnel down by the beach and then up and around. Let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna try to get enough height to see the whole island and then kind of dive like the reverse line of that, but starting super high. All right, boom, there it is. Cool. So, I'm gonna dive down. Just do a little free fall. This one, I'm not going to be perfect line of sight, so I'm hoping that it'll be fine. We'll see in a second. But there's a nice little gap right here, so I want to try to fly through that. I'm losing connection for sure. I think we're fine, yep. What's happening, guys? So today we took a boat out to a waterfall that you can only access by boat. We're in the national park here. We do have drone permits, and I'm gonna fly the FPV from the boat, go all the way over there and kind of rip this ridge line. So let's do it. Now basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the reverse of the line that I wanna do. So when I hit this little gooch, and then come up here. Connection gets a little weird there for a second, just because the tree is in the island. But it's all good. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come around this way, dive through the islands, and then over. All right, so today we are on the coast and there is a dope little cave over there. So I'm gonna fly FPV through it and I'm gonna mount it on my drone backwards just so it kind of reveals the cave and you don't know you're gonna go through one. So I just have this mount here and I'm just gonna lock the GoPro in. And then landing this is kind of hard. Basically just hold it up like this, away from the covering. All right, and it'll pull away. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here. The bad thing is if I lose connection, I'm so super fucked. All right, right here. So as long as the boat is in view, we're good. Good. Dope, let's go. All right guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to GoPro and Visit Costa Rica for bringing us out here. We had such a good time on this trip. Links to all the gear that I used is down below, as well as links to my LUTs that I used to color grade all the footage. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.